Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. Let's start a new lesson. Nina is the winner today. But before reading this lesson, we will do some questions. These are general questions. Let's read it. What are these? Imagine that your friend is weak in mathematics. You offer her your help in the subject. At the end of the year, she scores more marks in mathematics than you do. Will you feel? Suppose that your friend is very weak in maths. You helped her for the examination and at the end of the year she got more marks than you. You will feel how? Jealous of her, happy for her, sad for yourself. And if you feel jealous of her, why? If you feel happy for her, why? And if you feel sad for yourself, why? You can tick more than one box also. And hope you can give this answer properly. Write the answer in the comment box given below, children. Imagine that you are getting late for your exam. On the way to your school, you see a man lying on the roadside with a bleeding foot. Will you? Suppose that you are getting late for the exam, your examination is going to be held and you are going to take the exam and you are getting late for that. But on the way, what you see that a man lying on the roadside with a bleeding foot. Okay? What you will do? Run from there lest he should call you for help. Until he call you for help, you will run. Not bother about him at all and request someone to take him to a hospital. You can tick more than one box and you have to write one thing also, that why you will choose any of these answers. Whatever you have chosen, why. Okay, children? Give both the answers in the comment box given below. Think about it, and it doesn't matter what your answer will be because the answers will vary from person to person. ओके हर बच्चे का आंसर अलग हो सकता है. यू हैव टू आंसर दीज क्वेश्चंस अकॉर्डिंग टू योर ओपिनियन. नाउ लेट्स रीड नीना इज द विनर. Nina was very excited as the next day annual sports competition was going to be held in her school. Nina had given her name for 100-meter race. She was confident that she would be the winner. Nina was very good in race. Okay? And she was very excited because next day annual sports competition was going to be held in her school. And she had also given her name for 100-meter race. Nina's best friend was Medha. Medha was Nina's best friend. She was also a good runner. This sports competition was going to be special because the principal had announced that a trophy would also be awarded to the best student of the school. And this annual competition was going to be a special day. Why it is going to be a special day? Because the principal also would announce one special trophy, best student of the school. This award will be announced also. When? On that day, on the sports competition day. Everyone in the school seemed very excited. The school ground was beautifully decorated. The chief guest had already arrived. The parents had also come to watch the performance of their children. Okay? And generally, what happened in the school? On the very function day, everyone in the school seemed very excited and the school ground was beautifully decorated and The chief guest already arrived. Parents also came to watch the performance of their children. And two girls, Nina and Medha, were waiting for the race to start because Medha was Nina's best friend. But she was also a good runner, and so she took part in the race also. They both were waiting for the race to start. After the chief guest speech, the 100-meter race was announced. All the participants took their position and started running as soon as the signal was given. Nina gradually picked speed. She was running ahead of all the participants, and just behind her was her best friend Medha. Okay, what happened, children? 100-meter after chief guest speech, 100-meter race began, and what happened? Nina gradually picked speed. She was on the first position. She was ahead of all the participants, and just behind her, her friend Medha was there. Just when they were going to reach the finishing point, Medha sprained her ankle and fell down on the ground. But just before the finishing point, what happened? Medha sprained her ankle. उसका पैर मुड़ गया, मोच आ गई, and fell down on the ground. वो गिर पड़ी जमीन पर. Nina saw her falling down. She felt confused whether to stop to help her dear friend or to run for the first prize. But Nina felt confused for some time. She thought that she should stop to help her dear friend Medha, or she should run for the first prize. Because she was on the first position, she was ahead from all the participants. She thought for a second and turned back to help her friend. She just stopped for a second and then decided to help her friend, and she turned back to help her friend Medha. The girl who was just behind Medha crossed the finishing point and thus got the first position. And the girl who was on the third position behind Medha, Medha was behind Nina and the girl was behind Medha, means on third position, she became first. But Nina was not bothered about the prize. She was worried about her friend. But Nina did not think anything about prize. She was only worried about her friend Medha. Medha's ankle was swollen and she was in great pain. मेधा का एंकल क्या हुआ था? बहुत फूल गया था, सूजन आ गई थी और वो बहुत ज़्यादा दर्द में थी. Some of the teachers also came to help Medha and took her to the medical room. Some of the teachers also came. They helped Medha took her to the medical room. At the time of prize distribution, the chief guest called Nina to the stage and asked her, "Dear, you were just near the finishing point and would have stood first. Why did you stop and lose your chance to win the first prize?" And then when became the time of the prize distribution, when the prize distribution time came, what happened? The chief guest called Nina and asked her, "Dear, you were just near the finishing point. जब तुम finishing point के बहुत नज़दीक थी और फर्स्ट आ सकती थी, तुम क्यों रुकी और तुमने अपना चांस क्यों खो दिया फर्स्ट प्राइज़ जीतने का?" Nina replied, "Sir, Medha is my best friend. She was in trouble. The prize can be won next year also, but it was my moral duty to help my friend during her difficult time." तो नीना क्या बोलती है? देखो कितना अच्छा जवाब दिया नीना ने कि सर, मेधा मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड है, वो बहुत ही मुसीबत में थी, प्राइज़ तो अगले साल भी जीता जा सकता है, लेकिन ये मेरी ड्यूटी थी, ये मेरा कर्तव्य था, नैतिक कर्तव्य था कि मैं अपने दोस्त की मदद करूं उसके मुश्किल समय में. द चीफ गेस्ट एंड द अदर लिसनर्स वर मच इम्प्रेस्ड विथ नीना's सेंस ऑफ ड्यूटी. नीना लॉस्ट द रेस बट द प्रिंसिपल अवॉर्डेड हर द बेस्ट स्टूडेंट ट्रॉफी. और चीफ गेस्ट और दूसरे लिसनर्स नीना के इस कर्तव्य बोध से, यानी उसके कर्तव्य के पालन से बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्प्रेस हुए. और नीना ने रेस का तो ट्रॉफ़ी नहीं जीता, वो फर्स्ट नहीं आई थी, हार गई थी, लेकिन प्रिंसिपल ने उसे बेस्ट स्टूडेंट का ट्रॉफ़ी दिया, उसे अवॉर्डेड किया गया बेस्ट स्टूडेंट ट्रॉफ़ी से. ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स, टीचर्स एंड गेस्ट क्लैप्ड फॉर नीना एंड एवरीवन क्लैप्ड फॉर नीना. नीना became the winner. That's why the title of the lesson is Nina is the winner. Okay children, hope you understood this lesson very well. Exercise of this lesson we will do in my next video. Till then, subscribe my channel, comment on the comment section, like it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Okay, thank you.